Just a short video to show you this condition of this Dyson V6 car stairs upholstery vacuum cleaner. It's in good, clean, full working order. Does have dust in tight places. So everything has been cleaned. It comes with a motorised upholstery brush, a combination and crevice tool, a brand new replacement power supply, and the main unit. The filter's been washed, the head's been washed, the bin's been washed. This has fitted a brand new, purchased last week, 6000 mAh battery. Just show it working quickly. There's two modes on this Dyson. Button on the back which says maximum. At the moment it's on economy mode. Tell a lie, that was maximum mode. That's economy mode. Economy mode battery lasts longer till it needs charging. When it goes blue after you pressed it, that's max mode. It gives maximum power but drains the battery significantly. Any questions at all, please ask. I have another 9 of these, all various colours listed. Thanks for watching.